Hey guys, welcome to Freshers Camp. So we are back with another opportunity for you guys, which is ACT FiberNet Off Campus Drive 2020 for management training, PE and BTech eligible. So before moving on to the details regarding ACT FiberNet Off Campus Drive, let me tell you about our channel. So we provide regular updates on government jobs, technical, non-technical, and all other type of job opportunities, as well as preparation materials for campus placements and government jobs. Do not forget to like, comment and subscribe the channel. Also hit the bell icon for daily updates. Moving further to ACT FiberNet Off Campus Drive. So ACT FiberNet is scheduled to hire for the role of management trainee from BE and BTech 2020 batch graduates. Detailed eligibility criteria, application process and application links have been provided in the website. So you can refer to the website if you have any kind of queries. Moving further to ACT FiberNet Off-Campus Drive. So job role is management trainee. Qualification required is BE BTech. Batch is 2020. Salary is 15 lakh per annum. Experience is freshers. Job location is across India. Last date to apply is 30 July 2020 and drive date is 31st July 2020. Detailed eligibility criteria. So BE BTech and dual degree 2020 batch. Technology role, electronics and communication engineering, IT software role, all branches. Great academic track record. Compensation details. So company wants to keep the compensation confidential. However, the company visits Premier Institute and is among top 20% paymasters. So same compensation will be offered. Job description. Technology Leadership Development Program is the flagship program of ACT designed to build next generation for leaders for organization. This year-long program will cover all aspects of business and IT technology functions and will help the incumbent to become an all-round technical leader. Functional projects. So in the next 4 months, individual will be given opportunity to work on a project with specific deliverable within IT technology function. Post completion of all the learning modules, individual will be transitioned into the role through on-job training, which will be of 2.5 months. So how to register for ACT FiberNet Off-Campus Drive? We have provided a link here. You have to click on this link and you will move to another website. So as you can see that this is the official website of ACT FiberNet, and regarding this job profile, all the information has been provided. So you can also read it from here if you have any kind of queries regarding anything. There is an option here. You have to click on this and you'll move to another web page. So now they're asking you to log in. If you have account on this website, so you can log in with your previous account details. If you are new here, then click on register and create an account. So once you create an account, you will be directed to the web page where you can apply for ACT FiberNet. And once you fill out that form, so you will be registered for the job. Moving on to Fresher Camp website, we have provided all the details regarding eligibility criteria, selection process and application links. So you can refer to the website if you have any kind of queries. And link for ACT FiberNet Off-Campus Drive has been provided in the description. So do not forget to like, comment and subscribe the channel. Also hit the bell icon for daily updates. Thank you.